Okay, Kaizer Chiefs 0 and TS Galaxy 0. So yeah, man, today it was just like our birthday. Like we couldn't do none. When they are saying it's like it is your unlucky day about this is what they've been talking about because I don't know how come. Okay, I know I almost said which I don't know how come we didn't win this match. I know how come we didn't win this match. First of all, you like to refuse, you ref like against us, but it is normal at this point. The pride is normal because like PSL and like they've been promising a VAR on us for the longest time, and then after that it hasn't arrived yet, which is actually mad, which actually costed us like a result team. And the saddest part is that like I cost my team only. Like there are people that actually like love football and buyers like buy better no better, but people are losing their monies. People buy my stadiums just for this thing. Or team matches or more like linesmen, Mr. Referee. And I don't know how many times we've been robbed. Okay, first of all, just speak about like the issue about ref. First of all, Ulais means yes, robber. What a beautiful goal, by the way, from Flavio Silva. Flavio Silva has actually proven everybody wrong. Flavio Silva has actually proven everybody wrong. Everybody become undermined about quality striker. They get the balls on the onside on an onside, clear onside position, he get the ball from like Pezulu, your chest to Tenanalo, and then after that he pushes the ball, pacey, and then he finishes, which is something that you don't usually get here, if you are being honest. And then after that, what's the two offside, like a goal. The best convincing striker currently, like PSL, like the better convincing rate, and the person that doesn't need many chances. And then always Solomon gets inside the ball. He needs to cross the ball, and then when he crosses the ball, Bam Kappa, clear penalty. What does the Mr. Ref? Okay, first time it could have been said, it's okay, always you into man but this time it is Mr. Ref. And umuntu amosili it is somebody that has already have a yellow card under money, which means which like he was supposed to be set off. A player kishwa logo my last minute which is mad, man. Which is mad. So like if you can't, we did everything that we were supposed to do today, but when everything it is two against you, you can't do that. Like you can't do that because like first of all, I don't know. I think we're almost this game. It is the game. Let's create like opportunities. I'm a nigga that our Miami games ever since like this season about, and I think we created about like 20 attempts, and then we had about like 9 shot on target, which is mad. And then another thing, I just wanna speak, okay. Yeah, which is mad, first of all, about which like say like attempt money. But before I get to this other thing, about I just wanna speak with most of my attempts best what all it wasn't like there were clear scoring opportunities. For example, Lena Selevela Sarojaguyo, which we scored, and then Level Lepo. So there weren't too many clear scoring opportunities, but we're having many shots on target. The main reason for that is because most of like Ama players they are too selfish, and for the reason which is it's because like they're too selfish, especially Mfundo Vilakazi, bro. Mfundo Vilakazi angazi ukuthi like keep franchise always it is a boy, like we love you as like Ama fans, like of course we love you, but brother, get this right, you are not Lamine Yamal. You are not Lamine Yamal. Most of the time when he's supposed to pass the ball, we are shooter, too predictable. Okay. When when he's supposed to cross the ball, poor decision making, he'll want to cut available. And then Marcasile, when he's supposed to pass the ball, so Flavio Silva is there. I don't know, I think like about like 3 or 4 times of Flavio Silva being open. The boy, we are shooter. Same thing with like but the person that's like I create like those things most of the time. It was Mfundo Vilakazi. Yeah, shooter, unnecessary. And then also like free kicks, about which is one of the things be increased available on targets. About every time, I don't know how many games, and the leaders layer have been selecting its slide. Fundo Villagas every time want to take Villam free kick. About I'm not saying like the boy is bad technical, but I prefer him taking like Amanto, Ama Konazi, like the best thing I know about which one is actually crossing the ball about not shooting, because the thing with like free kicks he'll want to shoot on target and then he'll pass like a keep. I don't know how many games right now we've been seeing the same, and the same thing again and again. Akashuthe like naphezulu ilizoza like ukhipha alisave. There's not even a power behind like a generator from people lezoyenza ukuthi ukhipha yathi makalisave liphinde libuyele like kuma players and then after that we finish. So my brother, please stop doing that. Stop doing that. Stop playing for yourself. Just play for like the team. Play for this team. Play for this team. Yo, hey, because the guy at this point, and then okay, let's pick up at like starting at 11. But I didn't understand why they didn't start Arsenal Villa yabo, and then they preferred ukuthi basathe umfundo instead of Arsenal Villa because Arsenal Villa with like a decision uthema angena even akhona impact we actually did great and even kwinto the previous matches yabo. There was the time previous match bekanikeza vele Flavio Silva available a chance and then like unfortunately Lazanga got available and then on this game also when he actually came on he was actually doing good, so I would prefer him next time. I would like a more than Umfundo Villa because Umfundo Villa just becomes so fancy, which was even the main reason. Like, please prove me wrong. I'm not here to actually like criticize, but like we've been silent a long time, and you know, it's like you're loved by my friends, and then after that, you just become too fancy, unnecessary. More should like just do the job. Just do the job. Which was the same thing you did in the last game, and this game again, your poor decision making, bruh. And I just want to give also another player, a player that actually became like the man of the match. You know, I don't actually announce well I'm a man of the match, but actually became a man of the match. But you can also be a man of the match if like actually subscribe right now. Player that actually like played his heart out, and we need to give like. Players like flowers about when they are doing good, and you need to criticize if you see which players are doing not very good, especially if they are doing it over and over and over again. So a player that I will just like to give like flowers today, it is Solomons. Out of like everybody else, I just want to say which like the boy actually played his heart out. He actually played like his heart out. He was trying all his best, and I just wish which like that same energy and transition like to Amanya because it is a thing with him he doesn't want to like when he gets the opportunity to actually shoot available he will shoot, but he doesn't play for himself. How many crosses did we get from him? A lot. When he came in very from inside, very occupying the spaces, he'll want to shoot or pass. So please, if you are playing your heart out, do it like that. I go to like be like too selfish and I'm glad which also like Lelepo is back, even though we didn't see that much from him. And then Batman also actually got his debut today. People they have been waiting for the longest time, and I don't wanna lie, I was expecting which maybe like which is late I was also like debut before onto look back money, but it happened which like look back money actually got his opportunity first available before like just let it rating like I don't know. I don't think he did too much, but like he actually played like a good. He didn't have like mistakes which is actually good. And there was a chance which like he could have actually given more when like he passed the ball to Velepa and then upin the Velepa. I think Magatuya shoots available and then he pull available when he was punching on keeper Azanga was save. I think like if yellow press that, but it was the thing which like Mondak was still like actually reading but I haven't seen that much from him, but he actually had a good like debut. I can't say a beautiful game, a good debut. And I hope we're gonna be seeing more from him. He seems like a player available in a pace, and but it seems like he actually played available on the number 10. And then I just want to speak about something which actually happened, which was actually tactical in this game. Mabo and Matlo. I don't know where this like collab like this duel which like in a corner like the team play like what you damn like my papa like boy too about they've actually given us so much solution because first of all like defensive wise I was they're not good as like Kunyambo or Sabo, but when there are two players which are actually good defensive wise and they also be able to actually progress very the ball and play very the ball and the way they're actually changing it is a thing which like will start like a band, but the way go to Munya push pin or Munya be move or push, it is actually great from them and I'm expecting more like go available and Matlo not besides to go to like a electro level I'm fans of the other teams, but it's actually talking on a field also. So I'm expecting a lot from him. I think we might be actually be finding solutions for unyambo somkhulu vele yabo. But I'm not saying ukuthi like unyambo semele vele simlahle or anything. Uzosetshenziswa vele yabo kuma matches e-Africa and stuff. So yeah, that was it. We had like many shots on target, Chase Galaxy didn't do anything at all, unless like Masuk level last minute when they actually had their first attempt. And then yeah, here's another thing that I wanted to speak about. Ama corners, we had too many corners, but this thing, it is like a bad thing. Like this is the one of like the most negative thing valuable that I can actually take from this match. Because like have like ama corners amaning, and then after that you don't even convert while you even have like ama 12 players. Maybe some of them it is because we play ama short corners, and then some of them would see long corners, and then we're not able to finish. So we actually have to work on that because like finish like ama corners, but also like it was a thing which we were being too unlucky because like oh my god, if I'm being honest, there were travel opportunities, but it was unlucky, and the Mr. Referee, they are supposed to do better and to implement the VAR anytime, bro. So next season maybe you can't be crying the same thing over and over each season, and like come on at this point say like it is not improving our football. It's supposed to do better, like SAF is supposed to do better, and by implementing VAR as soon as possible because this thing is actually disgusting. But tell me what you think about the match.